sketch a right angle triangle ABC such that B is equal to 90 degrees, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, and BC is equal to 12 centimeters. Determine the length AC and hence evaluate sine A, cos C, and tan A. So I welcome you once again to my channel. So we are going to solve this example today. I'll always want you to subscribe and then share the videos, okay? Alright, so let's move on with the solution. So we are to sketch a right angled triangle A, B, and then C, okay? So that is the right angled triangle, okay? Right angled triangle. And B is equal to what? 90 degrees. AB is equal to what? 5 centimeters. And BC is equal to what? 12 centimeters. So B will be what? 90 degrees. And then we have point A and then C. Alright, so AB is what? 5 centimeters. So AB is going to be what? 5 centimeters. And then BC is going to be 12 centimeters. So BC is going to be what? 12 centimeters. I hope you understand. So we have the right angle triangle with point B at what? 90 degrees. And then AB to be what? 5 centimeters. And then BC to be what? 12 centimeters. I hope you understand. And we are to determine the length AC and then also evaluate sine A, cos C, and then tan A. I hope you understand. Alright, so let's continue with the solution. So solution. So now we have to find AC, okay, the length AC. Alright, so by Pythagoras theorem we know that AC is equal to what? The square root of 5 square plus 12 square. I hope you are following it. AC is equal to the square root of 5 square plus 12 square. And the square root of 5 square plus 12 square is going to be what? 13. Okay, so AC is what? 13 cm. I hope you're following the steps. Alright, so let's now evaluate sine A, cos A, and then tan A. Alright, so sine A is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. So sine A, that means the angle will be at this point, okay? So if the angle is at this point, that is point A, BC is the opposite, okay? BC is the opposite and AC is the hypotenuse. So sine A is equal to what? Opposite over the hypotenuse, and the opposite is what? BC, and the hypotenuse is what? AC. So it's going to be what? 12 over 13. BC, which is the opposite, is what? 12 cm, and the hypotenuse, which is AC, is what? 13. So we have 12 over 13, and when you divide 12 by 13 we are going to get what? 0.92. so sine A is equal to what? 0.92. I hope you are following it. Alright, so let's move on with what? The cos C. So cos C is also equal to what? The adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos C, that means the angle will be at point C, okay? The angle will be here, okay? So if the angle is here on point C, AB is the opposite, AC is the hypotenuse, and then BC is the adjacent, okay? So cos C is what? The adjacent, which is what? BC, over the hypotenuse, which is AC. I hope you are following it. Cos C is what? Adjacent, which is BC, over the hypotenuse, which is what? AC. Okay, so we have 12 over 13, that is BC, which is the adjacent, over the hypotenuse AC, which is 13. So we have 12 over 13, that is BC, which is the adjacent, 12 centimeters, over the hypotenuse, which is AC, okay, 13 centimeters. Alright, so that is what we have here, 12 over 13. And when you divide 12 by 13, we are going to get what? 0.92. So cos C is equal to what? 0.92. So let's move on with the last one, which is what? Tan A. Tan A. So that means the angle is going to be on point A. So tan A. And tan A is equal to what? The opposite over adjacent. So BC is the opposite and adjacent is what? AB. Okay, BC is the opposite, which is what? 12 centimeters, and then the adjacent is what? AB, which is what? 5 centimeters. So tan A is equal to the opposite over adjacent, that is 12 over 5, BC over AB, the opposite over the adjacent, okay, 12 centimeters over 5 centimeters. So when you divide 12 by 5, we are going to get what? 2.4. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe and then you share the videos. Thank you.